G'day and welcome to another video with Better Pics. Hope this finds everyone well. Today we're going to have a very quick look at the process of opening raw images within Adobe Camera Raw without having to go through Bridge. The conventional way that I've mentioned in a number of videos previously is to simply go into Bridge, which you can see we're in now, right click after you've selected some images and open in Camera Raw. And you can see that very quickly opens up those images in Camera Raw ready for editing. Now let's just say, for example, if you didn't want to use Bridge or you just had a selection of raw images that for whatever reason you simply want to do some raw processing on within Adobe Camera Raw but without the use of Bridge, then all you need to do is make sure that Photoshop is open. I'm now going to navigate to the folder where those raw images are sitting, and I'm going to look through and just very quickly select roughly the same raw files that I did previously when I opened the images through Adobe Camera Bridge. And I'm just going to select very quickly a few images, click and drag them into Photoshop and just drop them in the opening screen that you see there. And you can see it automatically opens it up in Adobe Camera Raw. So while Bridge is a fantastic tool for organizing keywording and doing a whole bunch of tasks to keep your images organized, you can open the images directly into Photoshop. And of course, if you want to, you can star rate them as well, so that helps to make that selection of images available for final edit and final delivery to whatever project it is that you're working on. So you would go through the normal process of editing those images and saving them out, or just hitting done down in the bottom right hand corner, and those edits will be saved to your raw images or saved as an XMP file, sidecar file, so that those edits are ready to go again when you revisit the image or save them out. So that's a quick and easy process to be able to open raw images in Photoshop without having to use Bridge. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks as always for stopping by, and as always, any questions in the comments below are most welcome. Have a great day.